This message is top secret. Good morning, Mr. Mack. This is your mission, should you choose to accept it. Now that summer is over, you need to launch our HTHCV students to new heights and have the greatest school year ever. With this being said, you will need to select one or more secret agents to assure a smooth return from summer vacation. Everything must be perfect. This message will self-destruct in 3, 2...
This mission is extremely risky.
We need someone who can complete this mission.
We need someone who can navigate our return from the pandemic.
And someone who can do it even if the Wi-Fi goes down, the printers get jammed, or even on a rainy day schedule.
But who? Who can help our students take off to new heights and have the greatest school year ever?
This mission is impossible.
This mission is not impossible, but you're not looking for an individual person.
Then who are we looking for?
You're looking for a group of people, highly trained experts in project-based learning, the type of people who can navigate POLs, exhibition night, and internships without batting an eye. These people can complete your mission. People like Britt, Danny, Dr. C, Colleen.
Of course, Mr. Mack. Why didn't we think of this?
Yes, this is brilliant. The teachers and staff are the exact people we need for High-Tech High Chula Vista to have a successful launch into the greatest school year ever. But what will they need to complete this mission?
Only a Power School login, charged laptops, a parking permit, and this video montage.
Yes, let's play that montage.
Coming this fall 2022 to a theater near you. After 2 years of working through a global pandemic, the students of HTHCV will be returning to school in the hopes that their passions and projects can take flight. But they will need help from the greatest staff ever assembled under one eco-friendly roof.
HTHCV, let's do this.
In a world of project-based learning, will these agents have what it takes to launch a successful year?
Careful! Do not spill! Don't spill! They need to know their constitutional rights.
Before it's too late.
Mr. Which one do we cut? The red one or the green one?
I think it's the red one, man. For this robot, we gotta get it done for exhibition.
Team, we need more maps. The freshmen have no idea where to go.
Polynomials, of course!
Growth mindset. Growth mindset!
Team, the students are gonna be here soon. We gotta get ready for CrossFit. Here, you take this, you take this, take this, let's go. Follow me out, let's go!
Oh, we need more basketballs over there.
Oh, we need dressmakers on the other side.
We need more tables.
How about more sheds on this side?
Where are we gonna sell the dance tickets? You go that way, I'll go this way, go!
The copies, the kids will be here soon.
Oh no, paper jam!
With time running out and summer coming to an end, will the teachers be able to roll out the best year ever?
Team, it's imperative that the ninth graders have great pencils.
This point isn't right. Let me sharpen.
This eraser's too edible. The kids might eat them.
Not enough twirl.
Too weak.
Maybe they should have pins.
A pen? In 9th grade math? Never.
Needing to be everywhere, the agents kick their mission into full throttle overdrive.
Paper, we need paper. The kids are coming.
9, computer 6, computer 13, computer 17, computer 17! Where? Oh, here it is.
Where's Miss Edie? We need her to complete this mission successfully.
El Baño!
Where are you supposed to be?
I will get you in the restroom. Ready. It's gonna be a great year.
Secret agent, prepare the supplies. Secret agent, find the students.
Your internship, should you choose to accept it.
Our mission, should we choose to accept it, is to have a successful launch to the school year.
How do we do it?
We call in the experts.
Alberto, where are you supposed to be?
Oh, Mr. I said I could be out here.
With senioritis days away, the expert agents have been called in to redirect students and prepare them for college and the greatest year of their lives.
Oh my goodness, this is a serious case of senioritis.
Nah, that's cat. You got any snacks?
Quickly! This is bad. Let's get him in here.
He's beautiful.
The launch was successful.
Class of 2023, the teachers and staff are ready for you. Come see the greatest secret agents ever as they scour the halls and prepare to welcome you, the students of High Tech High Chula Vista, as we launch together into a year filled with project-based learning, fun, and success.
Wait, what are we supposed to be doing? I don't know. Maybe we should write instructions for the students. Good idea.
Is anybody here? I'm looking for some blue tape. Just a little bit to borrow. I want the laptop part. Guys? Anybody?
Nah, Chief. That doesn't add up.
This fall, get ready to launch into the most epic school year in HTHCV history, full of projects, internships, exhibitions, dances, Spirit Week, sports, POLs, Festival del Sol, community meetings, college crawl, innovative learning, and so much more. High Tech High, Chula Vista. Where passions and projects take flight. Another great year. Opening August 2022.